Hi everyone, we're just going to show you how to use the cruise control on Lexus. Which one is this? The Lexus
GS300.
The GS300, what year?
2016.
There you go. Right, so to use the cruise control, you can see the dashboard, there's no light on. As you put the ignition on here, this little button, you push it in. And there you can see it says there that the cruise control is now. Now what you want to do is that when you're driving, it will only activate when you're driving. Normally the Toyota is 25 miles per hour. So I'm not sure exactly with this if it's 20 or 25. Then when you want to use it, you must push it once down. You must push the stick once down. Then you'll see here in the dashboard that it will say that with the light on, it will tell you that your speed limit is on there. If you want to then bring the speed up by 5 mile per hour increments, you push it up like that, and that will go by 5. So if you push it 3 times, if you're doing 25, you do 1, 2, 3, that will go up to 40 miles per hour. If you do it one hold down, if it's at 40, it'll go down to 35 miles per hour. As this has got adaptive cruise control, you won't need to brake it, it does brake itself. You'll see that when you go behind the vehicle, that will automatically slow down if the car is going slow in front of you. And that is how you use the cruise control.